everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, oven roasted chicken drumstick marinated with dahi. I have a 3-pound chicken drumstick, skin on. I washed with cold water and drained the water. The other ingredients we're going to need: half cup dahi, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder 1 teaspoon each, garlic powder, black pepper, garam masala, ginger powder half teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 teaspoon cilantro, 2 teaspoon vegetable oil. I'm going to use a food color, and this is strictly optional. It will enhance the color of chicken drumstick. And let's start marinating chicken drumstick. I'm going to get a mixing bowl. We're going to add all the spices: salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, garam masala, red chili flakes, cilantro, the food color as needed, vegetable oil, and dahi. With the help of a whisk, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be our marination. So I'll get the chicken drumstick, and we're going to make a 3-cut. If the drumstick is big like these, make a 3-cut like this. If the drumsticks are small, then make a 2-cut. This is what we need. The only reason I'm making a cut, so that when we're going to marinate the chicken, the masala will go inside. All the spices will go inside, and that will give us a good flavor. So I'll finish up the same way. All the chicken drumsticks, I made it 2 to 3 cut, and now we're going to mix it. And I'm going to make sure that it's nicely, each drumstick is coated. As you see, all the chicken drumsticks are nicely coated. Cover with the lid, and we'll put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I'll place the tray. This is the hot water. If you haven't cooked like this with the water, please try it. So I'm going to push the tray back, and we're going to start the oven. I'll use upper oven, and we're going to use convection, and we're going to use bake, and the temperature we're going to use 450 degree Fahrenheit, and we're going to start it. And it's going to convection bake. It's a preheating. Right now it's 100 degree Fahrenheit. Once it's get preheated, then we place the chicken drumstick on top of the tray. As you hear the beep, the oven is preheated at 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is a 232 degrees Celsius. And if we look at inside, as you see, the water is nicely hot. And now we're going to bring the chicken drumstick, and we're going to place the tray right on top of it. Chicken drumsticks we're going to lay out on top of the tray. This is the vented tray. This is the top tray. Once the chicken drumsticks are laid out, the tray we have inside the oven filled with the water, we're going to place this tray on top of it. So just be careful when you're going to open it. Don't burn yourself. So I'm going to open it, and I'll place this tray right on top of it. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. Close it. So we place the chicken drumsticks on top of the tray which is filled with the water. And now if we look at the oven was preheated at 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. So we're going to select the time and I'll place it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes and we're going to say set. And now the timer, it started. If you can see it right here, it's 29:54. So 30 minutes is going to cook and then it will turn it off. So we're going to keep eye and the oven stays at 450. So this is how the chicken looks. It's a hot water, so it's going to steam up and the chicken going to cook real nice, and any dripping from the chicken that's going to go into the tray and it will be very easy to clean the tray. So please try this method. We have still 6 more minutes to go. So within 24 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. Nice and bubbling. This, if you see, the bones start to expose, the chicken meat is getting pulled back. And if you look at on this side, the vented tray, the water is boiling. So within half an hour, the chicken will be fully cooked. Very delicious looking chicken. And we have 5 more minutes to go. 32 seconds left. It's all done. One second. As you see, the kitchen timer is all done. I'm going to dismiss and now we're going to cancel it. So it's all done. So half an hour cooking, chicken drumsticks are fully cooked. And now before taking it out, it's always a good idea, leave it inside 5 minutes so it can cool down, then I'll pull it out. I waited another 5 minutes and it's still hot, so be careful, just don't burn yourself. And I'm going to take the chicken drumstick out. Look at this, very juicy. Let me share with you. And prior to serving, sprinkle with lemon juice. Our tasty, delicious, juicy, tender, moist Dahi wala chicken drumstick is all ready. It's oven roasted chicken drumstick. They are very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is one of the best appetizer. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.